First, open the image that you want on top. I'm here in Photoshop. I'll go to File, Open. And this is the picture that I want on top. I'll open that. I'll come down here to Layers, and I'll make sure to find the layer that I want to put on top of the other image. And this one only has the one layer. Now I'll hit Command A or Control A and copy with Command C or Control C. Next, I'll open the background image. So I'll go to File, Open. I'll open this image, and then I'll paste Command V or Control V. Now I can hit Command T or Control T to resize this image. I'll get on a corner and drag, or get on your Move tool to move her around. Maybe we'll make her a little bit bigger, put her over here. And now I'll hit Return or Enter to commit those changes. And now you can see we have the layer with the girl on it, and then we have the background layer, which is the other image. Now, if you need the background removed over here, make sure you're clicking on the right layer. This is the one with the girl. You can kind of see the little girl on that layer. Hit W on your keyboard, and that'll jump you to this tool or one of the ones beneath it. And then choose Select Subject at the top. Next, come down here to the Layers and click this little button, which makes a layer mask. You can still get on that layer and hit Command T or Control T to resize her, or get on your Move tool to move her around. And that's it.